And welcome to another tutorial today. I'm taking us on how to edit our shapes, points, and also some other tricks in Excel. Click on Insert, click on Shapes. I'll be choosing Rectangle and drag to your right. So in order to replace your shapes in Excel, ensure your shape or the object is selected. If it's not selected, you wouldn't be able to see this Format tab. Can you see? So you need to select the object or the shape. Click on Format. To your left, you see Insert Shapes. Above it, you see Edit Shape. Click on the drop-down arrow at the Edit Shape. You'd see several options there. We have Change Shape, Edit Points, and Reroute Connectors. So to replace our shape, I'll click on Change Shape. I want to replace our shape with a smiley. Okay. So here's our smiley. It has actually replaced our rectangle. And also, I will be bringing in my rectangle again. Click on Insert, click on Shapes, choose a rectangle. Okay. Now, you notice that this rectangle and smiley, there's a difference there. Smiley has points, which is this yellow round button, and the rectangle doesn't have. So the point actually helps us to rotate a particular position in our object or shape. Let me format our smiley. Okay, so we can see it clearly. So this actually helps us to rotate or change position in a particular place where the point is. So our smiley is not smiling. Let me put it back. So that is the function of a point. Okay. Also, I'll be taking us on another trick on how to select our objects. In Excel, by pressing Ctrl A, you can't select any objects, but there's a way you can do it. Click on Home, click on Find and Select, click on Select Objects. Once that is activated, once you press Ctrl A, it automatically selects the object for you. Ctrl A. Can you see? Our objects are now being selected. That will be all for today's tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you some other time. Bye.